Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC easy step. So Notepad++ is a powerful, lightweight, and a free text editor that's perfect for coding, scripting, and even simple note-taking. And first to be able to begin, just open your browser and go to the official Notepad++ website. So you could search that onto your browser, or you could go directly onto this link here, which is notepad-plus.org/downloads. So you'll see a list of version in here. You'll just have to click on the latest version, which is located here onto the top. So here we have version 8.8.2, which is the updated version or the latest version. Now here onto this page, you'll just have to scroll down and click onto the right installer for your device. So since I'm using a 64-bit device, so we have that here. So click onto the installer and it should go ahead and automatically download onto your device. So wait for it and then open it right after. So you'll just have to double click onto this file to launch the setup. Then right after, it should go ahead and ask you for the language. So we'll select English here. Click on OK. And right after, you'll go through the setup wizard. So just accept the license here, agree, then choose in the installation location. So we're gonna leave it as default, and then we're just gonna click on next until we see install. So click on install and wait for this one to be done. So it only takes a few seconds because Notepad++ is very lightweight. So once it is done, you could go ahead and check the Run Notepad++ in here and click on Finish to launch it. So right after that, Notepad++ is already installed onto your device. So here's a few things that you could do. You could start coding in languages like HTML, Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. So you could also use tabs here to work on multiple files at once or enable plugins like autosave or compare for extra functionality. So we have settings here onto the upper part and choosing preferences so that you could customize the look, font size, themes, and many more. And that is just basically it. You've now successfully installed Notepad++ on your Windows 10 or 11. And if this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources that we share. Thank you very much for watching and happy coding.